This is the SPEA building, I think. School of Public and Environmental Affairs. Okay, oh, buttons over here. Let's go to 4, I guess.
Pretty recent.
That's actually next year. It says 2024.
It was issued like a
Oh,
month ago.
yeah, issue date, that's pretty close. It's had pretty loud motors.
Yeah.
Ooh, look at this. Interesting atrium. All right, cab view time. There's a Joran.
We're gonna go for another ride.
Yeah, I think so. I mean, at least they put in carpet. I always like when they put carpet in elevators. 3,000 pound capacity. State permit number right there. Everything you need to know. But of course, they're just monitor TR installs.
Yeah.
The classic IU tradition. Takes a second to level. Yeah, I may as well get into your overall thoughts. What do you think?
Nice. I mean, not the worst one. I like the walls.
Yeah. Relatively loud motors too.
Yeah.
I can't tell if this was a mod or not. That looks like an old indicator. But here bit 4. And I'll let you send it down.
We should give it 2.
You think so?
I want to see what's on the floor.
Oh, okay. We can go look at that then. And here we are at 2. Overall, sort of boring elevators.
Takes a while to level.
Yeah, it really does. Yeah, I think we can call it here. There it goes. And that's it.